Buddy, you want to help too? Yeah.
Okay, what happens next?
The oven.
Put it in the oven.
It'll be 20 minutes. Bye-bye.
What?
Put it right here.
Oh, sorry. This has become his channel. So Ethan randomly just grew up on me. Okay, he's sleeping in his own room now. Yes, my son is 5 and was still sleeping in my room in like a toddler bed. The other day he just randomly asked me if he could sleep in his own room, and I was like, dude, yeah. And since then we completely transitioned him. It's been 2 days. I made him like a simple sticker chart. I'll show it to you guys. This is what the sticker chart looks like. It's literally just a piece of printer paper, and I just put big boy chart and then wrote the days, and I told him he has to fill up this many days, which is about 2 weeks worth of stars. The whole point was just to get him to try, and so far he's completed 2 full nights. The first day he only lasted 45 minutes, which is before we started the chart, but then the following day on Tuesday I came in to check on him once after like 30 minutes that he was in here, and he was like, I want to go to my mom's room, and I was like, you can do it, like, you know, give it a little bit more time. And sure enough, he fell asleep and slept the whole night. Wednesday, no problem at all. So he's already 2 stars down. I told him once this entire chart is complete, we will go buy him whatever toy he wants. If you guys are trying to get like any goal accomplished with your child, having charts like this that are visuals for them that helps them understand the concept of reaching a goal is such a great way. Just make sure it's eye level, they can see it, keeps them super motivated, and it's just a great way just to encourage behaviors. Happy Friday. I'm out of breath and I'm really hungry. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. I got my nails done. Look at that. Do a little quick grocery haul because I went to Trader Joe's. I got some bread. You guys already know. Strawberries, because these kids will eat 2 packs of strawberries in like 25 seconds. Some sriracha, cream cheese for bagels because Omar eats a bagel in the morning. These hash browns, like for like a Sunday breakfast. Throw in the air fryer and they should be fire. Mini watermelon. I got these mini pepperoni pizzas to see if Ethan likes them. We usually get them at Costco, but I haven't gone to Costco. Protein bars. I got the salty peanut and the cookies in cream. And then the rest is junk. I saw some girl cook these yesterday in her stories, and so I went to go get them because I'm a copycat. So I got these pork gyoza, I think that's how you say it, gyoza pot stickers, some just frozen french fries for the kids, this orange chicken, which I bought it the other day and I was like, oh, we're probably not gonna like it. We bought like the Costco one and we didn't really like it, so the one from Trader Joe's though, you bake it until it's like crispy and then you like saute it with the sauce, and it is really good. So I got one of these, and then I got some Madeline cookies that we already opened because Elijah is obsessed with these cookies and we always buy them at Starbucks, but they're like $3 for 3 cookies, and then this one is $2 at Trader Joe's and it comes with 6 of them and they're much better, honestly. I'm gonna go put these groceries away, and then we're gonna get to painting right now that Elijah's asleep. We're gonna paint the theme because I was supposed to do it last night, but y'all, I was tired. So this is what it looks like. Obviously, I'm not a professional painter. I'm gonna post a picture like right here next to it to show you guys what it looked like prior to us painting it. Definitely, I feel like it's revamped, but we're not professionals. We have to go through the black of it and spray paint it again just because we got some white paint on it. And then this top bar here, I don't really like. I kind of want to pull it off and switch it to like a wood top, if that makes sense, like in my vision. I just feel like our house obviously is not modern compared to what I feel like the white paint made the fireplace look like, but it definitely brightened up the house a lot. If I finish it before I post this vlog, I will show you guys what the finished product looks like. What do y'all think so far? It's just a little revamp moment. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. So I want to do like a DIY garland that my friend sent me. I already got the supplies. It took me a long time to find the supplies because on the page that she like found it on, that she sent me, it said like Dollar Tree crafts or whatever. So I was over here at Dollar Tree trying to find all the stuff. Ended up like not being able to find anything at the 99-cent store or the Dollar Tree. So I ended up having to like go to like Hobby Lobby and Michael's. So I spent a little bit more, but I don't care because I am obsessed with like those Christmas gnomes. Well, just gnomes in general. Like, you know what I'm talking about? I have a towel. I think I've shown them to you guys. Like these little gnomes. Ugh, I'm obsessed, okay? So she tagged me in it because she was like, oh, like I thought of you. So you guys see like the little like gnome, basically just made a bunch of these little gnomes using yarn and just stuck it on like a string to make it like a garland. That's what we're gonna try to do, but I'm not very like crafty. We're gonna see how it turns out. Also, this time change has me so fucked up, y'all. I have just been feeling very out of touch, if that makes sense. So I haven't really like been vlogging. It's been taking me a lot longer to get my vlogs done than it was before. I don't know if it's because it gets darker faster or what, but it just doesn't seem like I can catch a break, which is usual. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so for this one you need one of these like empty paper towel thing, yarn of whatever color that you want. You guys saw she did like the colorful hats. I think I'm gonna stick to black and white because I think I'm gonna go with like the plaid theme for Thanksgiving. For Thanksgiving. It does look easy, but it's like a 60-second video, so we'll see. These are the little beanies that are gonna go on the gnomes. I made only 8 of them because I only have 8 little pieces for the nose. Like these are too big. I couldn't find anything that only had like this size for the nose. I can only make 8 little gnomes for the garland. If I feel like it's not enough, then I'll have to go buy more supplies. But so far we have 8 little beanies. Aren't they so cute? And now we're gonna work on the like the mustache part, which is gonna go like right under it. That little Instagram tutorial that my friend sent me, it doesn't show you how she made the actual beard. So I Googled how to make like pom-poms out of yarn, and it directed me to like these little pom-pom machines, which I found at Michael's for $7.99. I have no idea how to use them. So I'm gonna figure that out, and then we're gonna make these. Oh, it gives you the instructions right here of how to make the pom-pom. So it's basically like a little pom-pom that's gonna go under the beanie to make like the gnome beard. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna probably use the smaller one, I'm assuming. I have no idea.
A few moments later.
So this is the yarn that I all messed up thinking I knew what I was doing. So this is all, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I can't use that. But we got one pom-pom done. I have 7 more to make. y'all. So I finished all the pom-poms. So we have 8 little pom-poms, and then we have 8 little hats. Pom-poms were a little bit of a bitch, but once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. You can finish a bunch of these pom-poms in like less than an hour. Are done. Look at how cute they came out. If you guys hear my son's iPad, he's doing homework, but yeah, so cute. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and stick them in the garland, like on a string, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Last night I just felt like my energy was off, so I'm just gonna show you guys my garland again so I can seem more excited, because yesterday I just was not feeling it. I'm feeling so much better today. Yesterday I just don't know, my energy was like off. I was kind of like just like, oh, like como pendeja, you know, like, yeah, I'm doing this. Like, I felt stupid watching the thing. So we're just gonna refilm this. All right, so here is how my little gnomes came out. What do you guys think? Obviously it's gonna be more separated. I just put them all together so that pa que los vean. Like, look at how cute that is. And it's gonna go right on my fireplace, the one that I showed you guys earlier this week. Isn't it cute? And honestly, like for a non-DIY person, I thought it was pretty easy. The hardest part to me was the pom-poms, because I didn't know how to use like the little machine. And the only thing is that this yarn that I got it at Hobby Lobby. It just leaves a lot of like lint. So like my sweatpants were full of lint, like just a bunch of it. That's the only thing I didn't like about it. Besides that, I think it's really, really cute. And I'm gonna just separate them and add like a light garland so that there's a light in between each gnome, if that makes sense. I'll show you guys once I like actually put it up, but I'm so excited! Let me know down below, what do you guys think? Do you guys want one? Because I could make you one, honestly. I could make you one. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this week's video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little DIY project. I'll show you guys the fireplace too in a future vlog once everything is done. I told you guys how I want to change the top. Well, we haven't been able to do that just because Omar works so much and I haven't figured out how to take it out, but I do want to learn how to use like tools and things like that by myself. So I've been asking him to teach me so that I can do like my own home stuff on my channel, like by myself, without having to wait for him to like, you know, do it for me or whatever. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video. Also hit that subscribe button, and down below in the comments, let me know what you guys think of this video. Any constructive criticism is always welcome, and also any ideas that you guys want to see, leave them down below. Also click that little notification bell. It's like a little bell right here. You just click it. I'll leave it like somewhere here. Click it and it's gonna tell you guys when I post. I try to upload at least one video per week, but this week's video is gonna be a tiny bit late just because your girl is struggling mentally. No, I just cannot get my life together. But anyway, all right guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in next week's video. Bye. Woo!